What's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm filming it like right when the sun's setting because, dude, it's been so hot. It's unreal. Like, bro, it's been like 110 degrees during the day, and then right now I think it's at 90, but since there's like a breeze, it doesn't really feel it. Dry heat's different, you know what I'm saying? So I hope all you guys did good, man. Putting God first, working hard. I honestly, like, I say the same thing every single video, and I know it gets repetitive, boys, but it's like, it just kind of like, dude, this is just another day in my life, man. Like, we're constantly just grinding, man. You know, and always, oh, dude, the mountains, bro. I gotta do a Yui real quick. The mountains are crazy. Going back that way. But they built some new houses over here, and within like a year, bro, and it's so beautiful here, man. Definitely not worth the price. This is like not worth the price for how much you get. I mean, they're nice houses for sure, but dude, 1.6 mil for this type of stuff is crazy. Well, maybe one day, you know what I'm saying? You know, the things that I would rather, honestly, I would rent rather than buy something like this, because think about this, to get a down payment of 1.6 mil, that's like about 320K. You know, you have to put down 20%, or you could be screwed by interest, and there's like insurances if you don't pay. I know if you give like 5%, there's like a fee on top of that, you know. Obviously you can get a house, but like, bro, you're getting finessed. Like, just look at, oh my gosh, look at the view. The view goes crazy, dude. You can see the whole valley, bro. You can see the whole valley. That's unreal. Oh, snap. LA is actually that way, but I can't see the mountains. So these mountains go to different areas, obviously, right? But to go to LA, it's that way. And to get to downtown LA without traffic, like let's say I go at night, bro, it's like 50 minutes. Like those mountains right there. So if I go through those, it takes me 20 minutes to get to those. Even though it seems so far, it takes only 20 minutes. Oh my gosh. The goal for today is to do like more like kind of like an ASMR video, because this car, I mean, it just sounds good, man. Like, the thing, that's why I got this car, is for the sound, you know? Like, sending it down the street is cool, but like, I feel like you guys appreciate the twin turbo V8 for it, you know what I'm saying? But these streets are tight, so it sounds really good. The turbo spool sounds the best, bro. Hearing the turbo spool is so satisfying. Now you're really gonna start hearing the spool. Why does it actually sound like a diesel truck? the one for sale. I need to put a microphone in front so you guys can really hear it. But hope all you guys are having a good Labor Day, man. Hope all you guys are enjoying the weekend. You know what I'm saying? You still gotta have a work-life balance. But I'm gonna tell you right now, like, people are surprised at half these cars, boys. This is like literally nothing compared to what I'm actually striving for. I'm gonna tell you right now, if you're not willing to work on weekends, work on Labor Day. Today I worked. I should have worked on Labor Day. Am I like sad about that? No, because what else I'm gonna be doing, bro? I'm either gonna be at home. I mean, I don't play video games anymore, so I can't do that. So I'll probably be brain rotting at home, dude. I'd rather go make some bread. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'd much rather go make some bread and actually learn something new. You know, today was a good day because it was a new challenge, dude. Bro, where am I, bro? This is like legit. Like, I'm playing Sims right now. Woo. Dude, the sunset is so insane right now. Like, California, dude, this is so, man, I don't know what it is. Like, it's, if you guys were born here and you guys have family that live here, it's worth it. But if you don't, it's definitely not worth it. Time to send it up our favorite street. So I can pop. Dude, this thing can pull. This thing pulls, bro. Woo! That truck had a big turbo in it. It sounded so good. That's the best part about like this area. Like, obviously right now, dude, I'm gonna be real with you. Buying a house is expensive everywhere. I mean, let's be real. Like, the part of Germany I was in, dude, buying a house was so expensive. It was like 1.1 million, bro. There's no room to park. There's no room for anything. It was actually insane. So it just sucks everywhere right now, you know? Like, if 6 years ago, bro, you know how cheap it was to live here? It was mad cheap. Cheap to live here, dude. It's like right now it's expensive to live anywhere, bro. Like, you could go in the middle of Virginia, the middle of nowhere, like a small house is like 400K, and there's like there's obviously jobs nearby, but like, bro, in the middle of nowhere that's expensive because that's how much it was here, and now that house is worth like 900K. It's unreal, man. It's actually sad, bro. I'm pissed. I should have got a loan out when I was like 15, bro. Put it to rent, so then I wouldn't have to pay the mortgage. But obviously you have to still pay it. I'm just playing around, man. It's just unreal, man. Like, I'm obviously blessed, you know. I'm blessed that my family got a good house for cheap, and you know, we were able to afford the mortgage right now. So obviously I help my parents out too. Cause dude, I'm gonna be real with you, bro. Like, it's buying a house is like not even worth it at all. I just can't believe they're gonna build more communities here, bro. There's actually a canyon run right here that's like pretty good, honestly, located, but it takes me to the whole other side of this area, and I don't know if I want to go all the way over there, man. So, you know, I feel like we're like in an era right now where it's like, I feel like we have to just wait it out. Because there's companies in Europe right now, like right now in the instrument, dude, like big companies going bankrupt. So I feel like there might be a shift in the economy, and then obviously in the economy, because once interest rates drop, bro, houses are gonna become so affordable. But at the same time, I feel like the demand's gonna go back up. Right now, the demand's low. Like, I'm looking at houses right now just to see, and I've been talking to real estate agents, and dude, every single house dropped 150K in the past like couple months. So that's good. That's really good. It means the demand's low. No one's buying houses. No one's even giving offers right now. So everyone's waiting. So I don't want to rub this like California in. I don't want to ruin your guys' mood, you know, because you guys don't live here. You gotta make it good wherever you are, man. I'm trying to make it as good as I can here. There's obviously politics here that kind of are cheeks. I mean, there's obviously homeless problems here, not here, obviously, but like, bro, clearly like there's work that needs to be done and it's not getting done. So it's like, you know, it's always gonna be like that. The grass is greener where you water. It's always gonna be a crappy situation. There's always gonna be a situation you guys be able to work with it. Thank you guys for supporting the channel, man. I mean, we're like 29,000 subscribers. I mean, the things that, like, obviously we're not like going crazy with it, but I'm happy with what we have. You know what I'm saying? Like, I honestly don't want more. I'm happy with it. We got over 2,000 views per video. I'm happy with that, bro. So this is basically a Catless titanium exhaust, and this is a stock tune too, which is crazy. For a stock tune, this sounds good, bro. I'm actually really happy with the stock tune. That's why I haven't changed it yet. Because luckily I still have like aftermarket warranty. Like, even though I'm Catless, the things that doesn't void the warranty I have. So that's why I'm not really tripping about it. But once I tune it, I mean, that's a different story, bro. I mean, you're putting way more stress in the car. At the end of the day, it's all about who you know, man, to be real with you. And you guys just gotta make more money so you can just pay it without an issue. Come on, pop, pop, pop. There you go. Oh my. Dude, this thing catches speed way too fast. Holy. Yeah, it stops popping after like a minute. Like when you gas it, like you have to like give it like a couple, I don't know, like 30 seconds or so. Dude, going only 3,000 RPM, you can hear the whistle just. Oh my gosh. How is this a stock tune, bro? Like, they made it sound so, it's like they made it. It's like, okay, if you guys take off the if you guys put down pipes and exhaust, it's gonna sound amazing. Because when you have the pipes on, bro, you don't hear this kind of popping. Like, they made it go crazy. Gosh, I hope you guys enjoy this ASMR, because I love driving this thing around, especially during like in the city, bro, like and wherever downtown. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, man. Chill little POV, you know, just another day. Hope all you guys are doing good, man. Just keep, you know, just grass is greener where you water. These cars are cool, but you get used to it. You know, just be happy with what you have, man. You know, you only live once. Just enjoy your life. Because at the end of the day, bro, money, obviously freedom will make you obviously more at peace. You'll be more at peace, but it's not everything, bro. Holy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. Hope you guys just keep grinding, put God first, man. Make sure you guys go to church, just grow a relationship, man. No, I gotta definitely do one more pull on this tree. This is, you guys already know this tree is my favorite tree. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.